Hi guys, you can guess what I did. I crashed my new DJI Spark into freshwater. I took off the top cover, took off the GPS and stuff, and put this in rice. Many people say that doesn't work, so we've got to find out. Today we're going to test this drone, see if it flies. Hi guys, I'm currently at this park here. I've gotten permission from the council to fly here. So yeah, let's get unpacked and get going. Hey, there's someone over there.
Hi.
Hey dude.
How you doing, mate?
So
you're doing
what are
some
you up
flying.
to?
I'm up here. I'm flying as well. I've got my permit down there.
Oh,
Got
yeah.
my drone down there.
What?
Yeah, man.
Sweet. What's inside that thing?
It's a DJI Phantom. I got working. I did some repair work on it. And there it is. I'm going to take it for its first test.
You have council permission to fly that thing here?
Yo, man. No 50. I've gotten full permission from the council to fly this thing.
Oh, great. What about aircraft?
We've cleared the airspace. That doesn't look like cleared airspace to me.
2:30, that planes aren't supposed to be flying.
Okay, I'll get flying, but your drone is rather giant. Okay, there's a plane up there, so we've got to be careful with our flying. We've asked for council for cleared airspace up to 100 metres, so hopefully this guy does not go below 100 metres. Yeah, cool.
Okay,
We should be all good. We'll just bring them lower if we come across any problems. So, yep. Guys, let's see if this thing flies. Guys, this looks like a great spot to do the testing, so let's unbox the drone and get flying. See if it, well, we'll see if it does fly. But yeah, I'm really hoping it will. So, yeah, when it was underwater, it was only underwater for about 5 seconds or so, so I got that battery out as soon as I picked it out of there, so I'm hoping it will survive. And yeah, let's go. Right, control it. Let's take this thing out. Opened it up the wrong way. Okay. Righty ho, let's take her out. Take the prop restraints off. Here's a battery. Now this battery was underwater, so who knows if this battery's going to go or not. Plug her in. No smoke. Power on. Battery lights are lighting, that's good. Fans running. Yeah, we got prop sounds, guys. Gimbal's working. Gimbal's all erected. Okay, let's set this thing on the ground. I'll get it linked up to the remote. Okay, paired with the remote. So we'll start up DJI Go. Here we go, DJI Go. Okay, it's there on DJI Go. We got GPS. Seems to be going alright so far. Now, the moment of truth is flying it, so we'll see how it does in flight. Touch my phone here. Okay, let's see how this thing goes. Yeah, we got motor initialization, guys. It's taking off, it's flying, guys. No way. That's insane. It's flying. No problems whatsoever. That's awesome. is flying, guys. Like, subscribe, and rice does the trick, dudes.